Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Formula Pro Advanced is probably one of the most sought-after baby products for new parents, promising to simplify the often time-consuming and precise task of preparing formula bottles. And in this video, we're diving deep into whether this innovative machine truly lives up to the hype and delivers on its promise of convenience and accuracy for busy households. Number 5. Papablic Baby Bottle Sterilizer and Dryer Pro. Introducing the Papablic Baby Bottle Sterilizer and Dryer Pro. Achieve a new level of clean for your baby's essentials with advanced steam technology. This electric steam sterilizer doesn't just clean, it dries your baby bottles, pacifiers, and pump parts efficiently. Ensure everything is ready for your little one's next feeding. With a generous capacity for up to 10 bottles, it's perfect for busy households. Sterilize multiple items at once, saving you time and effort. Our sterilizer provides a safe and hygienic environment, eliminating harmful bacteria. Give yourself peace of mind knowing your baby's items are thoroughly sanitized. The Pro model features an intelligent design for optimal performance. It's an essential tool for modern parents seeking convenience and reliability. What we like? This sterilizer offers a large capacity, fitting up to 10 bottles at once. It uses efficient steam sterilization to eliminate germs and includes a drying function. If you have multiple children or need to sterilize a lot of items frequently, this is a great choice for convenience and thorough cleaning. What people say. Easy to use and super helpful. Now my parts and bottles are always ready and I have peace of mind knowing they are clean and dry. The large capacity made it easy to sanitize several bottles at once and everything came out clean and dry. This sterilizer works perfectly and makes daily bottle cleaning so much easier. It has a large capacity. I can fit multiple bottles, pacifiers, and pump parts all at once. The steam sterilization is quick, and the drying function leaves everything completely dry and ready to use. Number 4. Baby Brezza Formula Pro Advanced Formula Dispenser. Introducing the new and improved Formula Pro Advanced. It automatically mixes a warm formula bottle instantly, saving you time and effort. With automatic powder blending, you can easily make the perfect bottle every time. It ensures a smooth and consistent mixture for your baby. No more waiting for bottles to warm up. This machine dispenses a warm bottle instantly, ready for your little one whenever they need it. Making bottles has never been easier. Its user-friendly design makes preparation simple and convenient for busy parents. This dispenser features a sleek white design that will complement any nursery. It's as stylish as it is functional. What we like? This advanced formula dispenser takes the guesswork out of bottle preparation. It automatically blends powder and water to the perfect consistency and temperature. If you're a busy parent who wants to save time and ensure every bottle is perfectly made, this machine is a game changer for nighttime feedings and on-the-go convenience. What people say. It quickly and accurately creates a bottle with the press of a button. It is much easier to clean with more dishwasher-safe parts. The formula selection is done through a button instead of physical switch, and the loading container is much easier to operate. Set the number of ounces needed. I love the new feature of 1 ounce increments, huge improvement over the original version. Number 3. Baby Brezza Instant Warmer. Tired of waiting for bottles to warm? This device dispenses perfectly warm water instantly. It's designed to make feeding time easier. Forget the old way of warming bottles. This warmer provides the ideal temperature every time. It's a simple solution for busy parents. Upgrade your baby bottle routine. This instant warmer is a modern replacement for traditional warming devices. Enjoy convenience and consistency. Need warm water now? It's always ready to go, ensuring your baby's bottle is prepared in seconds. Save time and reduce stress. Discover a smarter way to prepare baby bottles. This warmer delivers the perfect temperature on demand. It's an essential tool for any nursery. What we like? This device dispenses warm water on demand, eliminating the wait for traditional bottle warmers. It maintains a precise temperature perfect for baby's formula or milk. If you prioritize speed and consistent temperature for bottle preparation, especially during those frequent feeding times, this is an excellent addition to your nursery. What people say. The instant dispensing of warm water is a huge time saver. The device maintains the perfect temperature for nasal irrigation, and its compact design fits nicely on our countertop. It's intuitive to use, which means less hassle in our daily routine. Product works great and is a great relief for making baby tea at night. Easy for younger siblings to use as well. This thing is a must-have for anyone feeding formula. The temperature is spot on and it is instant. Please do yourself the biggest favor ever and buy it if you have the $50. Heck, borrow the money from someone if you don't have it. Number 2. Frida Baby Basics Kit. Meet the all-in-one solution for your baby's everyday needs. This comprehensive kit is designed to make parenting a little easier. It includes essential tools to keep your little one comfortable and clean. From soothing gas to managing tiny nails, we've got you covered. Our signature nasal aspirator helps clear stuffy noses quickly and effectively. It's a must-have for any parent dealing with a congested baby. Keep your baby's nails perfectly trimmed and smooth with our specialized nail files. Designed for delicate skin, they ensure safe and easy grooming. Soothe your baby's discomfort with our gas relief tool. It's designed to gently help release trapped gas and ease bloating. Make bath time more enjoyable with the included bath brush. Its gentle bristles clean and stimulate your baby's skin. Everything is neatly organized in a durable silicone carry case. Take these essentials with you wherever you go. What we like. This kit bundles together several must-have baby care essentials for new parents. It includes tools for nasal clearing, nail care, and gas relief, all in a convenient carry case. If you're looking for a practical gift for expecting parents or want a compact set of essential tools for your diaper bag, this kit covers the basics efficiently. What people say. The Frida nail clippers have a unique spy hole that allows us to see exactly where we're cutting, ensuring a safe and worry-free nail trimming experience. The innovative design of each tool makes caring for our baby easier and more efficient. The Frida nasal aspirator, for instance, provides a hygienic and gentle way to clear baby's nasal congestion, offering much-needed relief. The tools are designed to be gentle yet effective, ensuring our baby's well-being without causing any discomfort. I love the nail clippers and still use them. I like that the clippers are at an angle that makes it practically impossible to cut too much and hurt them accidentally. Number 1. HAUTURE 6-in-1 Baby Bottle Sterilizer and Dryer. Meet the HAUTURE 6-in-1 Baby Bottle Sterilizer and Dryer. It's designed to make your baby's feeding essentials safe and clean. With a generous capacity, it can hold up to 10 bottles at once. This means fewer cycles and more convenience for busy parents. This electric steam sterilizer effectively sanitizes baby bottles, breast pump parts, and pacifiers. It also dries them, ensuring they are ready for the next use. Utilizing powerful steam, it eliminates harmful germs and bacteria. You can trust it to provide a hygienic environment for your little one's items. Beyond bottles, it's perfect for sanitizing and drying breast pump accessories and pacifiers. It's a comprehensive solution for all your baby's feeding needs. Make your daily routine simpler and more efficient. This appliance offers peace of mind, knowing everything is thoroughly cleaned and dried. What we like. This versatile sterilizer combines multiple functions into one unit, including sterilization and drying. Its large capacity can handle up to 10 bottles, making it ideal for busy households. If you want a comprehensive solution for keeping babies' feeding items and accessories clean and hygienic with the power of steam, this is a solid, all-in-one option. What people say. This sterilizer works really well and makes cleaning baby bottles so much easier. It's fast, convenient, and fits plenty of items at once. Definitely a helpful baby essential. The sterilizer does a 15-minute sterilization cycle followed by an hour-long dry cycle, then storage for up to 24 hours. It has been perfect for my husband and I as first-time parents to load and sterilize bottles, pump parts, teethers, binkies, and toys. Even now 4 months later, we are still using it even though we no longer need to sterilize, mostly because we love the drying feature. Large capacity, fits several bottles and pump parts, but doesn't take up too much counter space. I wash and rinse my bottles and pump parts before placing them in the sanitizer. The auto setting works great for sanitation and drying. Everything is ready for the next feeding. This saves me a ton of time versus boiling water in a pot on the stove for sanitation and waiting for air dry. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.